All I did was copy the link to this brand new website, came over to this web to PDF conversion tool and converted this website into a PDF document, allowing me to offer other people the opportunity to make money online using social media. With this PDF document, I was able to get paid a total commission of $1,086 in my first week promoting this product with this brand new strategy. The most popular question that I get in my YouTube comments and in my Instagram messages is, how do you make money online with free traffic? I can understand most people, even me, I prefer to actually take my time and energy into making money online without taking the risk of actually investing into anything. Also, the majority of people do not want to spend their money on paid ads because that opens up the opportunity to the ad becoming a flop and then money wasted. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use completely free traffic by turning this website into a done for you PDF document where we can actually go and make money off of that. And you don't have to spend a single cent on this. All of this is going to be completely free traffic, high converting traffic that will actually allow you to get sales. And I'm also going to show you how you can do this without a website, without having to spend the money on hosting fees, domain fees. So all of this, like I said, again, is going to be completely for free. And then I'm going to show you a second way, which I personally recommend, is to create your own website and your own sales page and funnel page. But I'm also going to show you how to do this completely for free. I'm going to be revealing tons of free tools in this video that I really recommend you save and bookmark. These are mostly tools that a lot of online entrepreneurs use that they don't want you to know about. The price of paid ads is also extremely expensive, and I can tell you those prices aren't coming down anytime soon. So now is the perfect time to be capitalizing on free traffic strategies just like this one to essentially generate your first bit of revenue online, which you can always reinvest into various different paid strategies and experiment what works for you. Now, before we get started with this free ad system, make sure you go down below to this Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel and subscribe with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload my latest way that I use to make money online on my YouTube channel so that you don't miss a single video. Sometimes, but not all the time, a lot of my strategies are constructed around trends. So some of you only see my video about 5 to 6 months after I've actually posted it, and that entire trend has just completely passed. So a lot of those videos that you try out tend to not even work. So that is why I prefer for you to be updated immediately when I upload my latest way of how to make money online. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur, coach and trader, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, we specifically going to be talking about clickbank marketing, free traffic strategies, and this one hidden and unknown tool that you can use to convert websites into done-for-you PDF documents, which we can use to give away as a hook or as some kind of lure to get leads into buying our main product. This is a strategy I like to call jab, 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 hook. In a nutshell, meaning give away free value, keep giving away and keep giving away free value until you actually build a relationship with those leads so that they give back to you. It's a really clever marketing strategy used by affiliate marketers, which is what I'm going to reveal to you in today's video. The first platform I want you to come over to is called clickbank.com. Now, this is my #1 place online to make money online. This is honestly a gold mine hidden with gold, gems, and all sorts ready to make money online. If you know how to utilize this website properly, you can honestly be making 6 figures a month. That is where some people have scaled to with different products on this website. So you can start off by clicking on start here on the top right. If you haven't got an account, this is where you need to go, and you just need to go and fill out all of this information, your username, your password, your email, verify that, and you'll be able to sign up. I've already got a free account, so I've signed in with my existing account. When you've signed in, your dashboard is going to look like this. Make sure you click on Marketplace on the top bar of your menu bar, and you will see all sorts of different categories on the left hand side, and these different categories contain hundreds of different products that you can go and promote. What I recommend you choose is something that you already perhaps know about, something that you enjoy, something that you're passionate about, because there's nothing better than starting a career and making money online or even in a traditional business in a career or a niche that you love. So for example, I personally like e-business and e-marketing. I also love health and fitness. So those are two of the most popular products that I often promote, but it's really up to you. I'm going to go and choose e-business and e-marketing because personally it's one of my favorite categories, and again I just recommend choose something that you love. You're welcome to use the exact same example I'm using, or you can even try something different. So the exact product that I'm going to be using is called Get Paid to Use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, which is essentially a company where people can sign up to their platform and they will give people returns on the investment by giving them social media jobs, whether it's just posting normally or whether it's managing a Facebook page for them or an Instagram page for them, and people will get paid money for that. Now, whenever you refer someone to this platform, this company also rewards you with a commission of $29.81 once off, and then $43.83 every month thereafter in a passive reoccurring rebill. This is why this is one of my favorite products, just because it has this reoccurring passive income commission. That means if you refer someone to this today, you'll be getting paid $43.83 for the rest of your life. So I recommend go and click on promote of this affiliate product, go and click on create hop link. Go and copy this hop link and just go and open up a notepad on your PC or on your phone or wherever. Save it in a WhatsApp chat. Just make sure to keep this link safe, as we're going to be coming back to this later on. Step number 2 is to go and copy this website's link and turn it into a PDF document. So go and click on the title of this product. You'll see it will take you through to a link to the homepage of this product, and you'll see its URL on the top left-hand side of your browser. So just take a look at this. I'm just waiting for it to load up. You can now go and copy the link of this website called payingsocialmediajobs.com, the job quiz, where people can actually take a quiz in just 1 minute to find out what type of social media job they are best suited to. So we're going to go and copy the homepage of this particular page, come over to web2pdf.com, go and paste this entire URL to this landing page and click on convert. Alright, so the PDF actually ended up looking like this, but I decided to not edit this part out because sometimes you are going to run into obstacles when trying different ways to make money online, and this is just one of them, and I'm going to show you how to deal with it. So in this case, since this Web to PDF tool is actually just turning this website into a checking if the site connection is secure. What you can actually do is you can actually just come over to the home page of this website. On your keyboard, you can click on screenshots, or you can just come over to Google and go and search up free screenshot tool, and you can go and download, for example, this one here, getgreenshot.org, and it's a free screenshot tool that will allow you to take a picture of your screen. Once you've done that, you can go and open up a tool on Windows called Paint. It will look like this. Just go click on this little square, click on select all, right click and select paste, and it will paste this entire screenshot. And simply just go and copy this part of the screen over here, just like this. That little part, click on crop, click on file, save as JPEG image, and you can save this to your PC. Once that's saved, come over to idplr.com and we can just go and grab another free PDF. So just go and search up social media on this website and you will find tons of valuable PDF documents and ebooks based on how to utilize social media. So if we go and search over here, for example, virtual networking success through social media and how to make a success out of social media. So we can go and click on this particular PDF. You will need to sign in with your account onto idplr.com. Again, it's completely free. There's no sign up fee. So I'm going to log in with my account quickly, click on download, and this PDF will start downloading to your PC. As you can see, this particular PDF document is about 60 megs, which should be about a minute or two. Once this PDF is downloaded to your PC, right click on it and click on WinRAR and click on extract here. And you'll be able to open up the folder and open up the ebook. And this is what your entire ebook will look like. Basically giving you information on how to master social media and build a virtual business out of it. So what we're going to do is we quickly need to go and edit this PDF. So if you come over to Google, I'm just going to use this tab over here, and you go and search up PDF editor on Google, click on enter. You can go and click on the first link over here. I've honestly used this website a few times, called seja.com. Click on upload PDF file and go and upload that same PDF that we have just downloaded. Straight after the first page, you'll see if I zoom in over here, there's a big button that says, well, not really big, small button that says insert page here. Click on that. You would then want to click on images on the top over here, click on plus new image, and go and upload that same screenshot we just took of the sales page. Go and stretch it out to fit at the top half of this page. Click on links and drag an entire square over this entire image, and go and open up your notepad with your affiliate link. Go and copy that and go and paste this over here to your external URL and click on enter. So now when people are busy viewing this PDF document and they see this button, this whole page over here is just one big clickable link. So you want to then go and click on apply changes, click on download, and your newly edited PDF will now download to your PC. So this is the PDF we are going to currently use with our free traffic strategy to go and make money online with through our affiliate link. If I open up this PDF document and I go and click on this entire page or this button, you'll see it will take me through to my affiliate link in my browser, straight through to this landing page where when people sign up to this, you will get paid your commissions. Thirdly, we need to come over to Google Drive to be able to make a public shareable link for our new PDF. So go and click on new on the top right of drive.google.com. You can go and create a new folder, or you can just upload it to the homepage of Google Drive. Click on file upload and go and upload that PDF document we have just edited with our affiliate link. Right click on your Google Drive document and go and click on restricted. Make sure you select anyone with the link and click on copy link. Click on done. Finally, come over to Craigslist.org where you can go and choose various different countries. So I'm going to click on Craigslist worldwide. I'm going to go and click on America, and I'm going to go and click on United States, as that is the best place to go and post these kind of ads. So after I've chosen United States, go and look for some of the bigger cities such as Las Vegas, Los Angeles, New York, Chicago. So I'm going to go and use New York, and I'm going to go and click on New York City. Under the jobs category, go and select sales or business development. Click on post new ad on the top right. Click on any one of these, it really doesn't matter. I'm just going to go and choose Long Island. Go and click on job offered. And if you want to go and choose a few categories, go and select systems and networking. Click on continue. For your posting title, as simple as possible, go and copy this title of this page. You can come back to Craigslist and go and post this over here. For your description, simple. Again, just go and copy this over here. And you want to go and come back to Craigslist, paste this over here. And then you want to go and paste the link of your PDF document. So again, let's just go and get our link, copy link. Paste this over here. For your employment type, you can put your full-time. We can do direct contact by recruiters is okay. Job title, put your freelancer. Compensation, commission-based. Company name, you can just go and copy the name of this website. That's payingsocialmediajobs.com. That's the company name. For your email address, you can just put your own email, for example, myemail@gmail.com. And finally, click on continue, and you want to go and post your ad on various different classified ads websites. So if you want to go over to a website called sitelike.org, which is a website where you can go and find similar websites to Craigslist and just go and repost your ad on all of those websites. So if I go and paste here Craigslist.org and I go and click on search, you'll see over here, you've got, for example, OfferUp.com, Zillow.com, Realtor.com, LoopNet.com, Redfin, USPS, eBay, CA.gov. You've got all sorts of various different websites that is relative to Craigslist.org where you can go and post these free ads. So you'll see, for example, let's go and use OfferUp.com. You just go and post the exact same information that you did on Craigslist on OfferUp.com and replicate that same ad. What I'm going to do is to help you out even more specifically with affiliate marketing, various different free traffic strategies like this, which is what I've discovered is what most of you guys want. I've created an entire playlist for you guys on YouTube called Affiliate Marketing with some of my best plus minus 300 videos compiled into one easy playlist for you to access and watch in chronological order. A lot of these traffic methods that I speak about in the playlist on the screen over here, you can apply with many different affiliate products. You can come up with your own ideas, plug in your own ways, and kind of build your own affiliate marketing system. So if you want to learn more specifically about affiliate marketing, go and click on this playlist over here, somewhere on the screen, and I'll see you over there.